Hi, this is Aaron from Sheppard Brackets. Right now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be mounting the bracket to the wall and installing the shelf. We found our studs. We've got one here, we've got one here. The screws that we'll want to use are a number 10 deck screw. They've got the T25 Torx head, so they're nice to drive, they don't slip. We've decided on the level we want our shelf. We want it right at this level right here, right where I've got the marks. So the first thing we want to do is sink a screw. And we want to sink it till it's just about a 1/4 inch. So we'll go ahead and slip the top of the bracket up under our screw. And then we can go ahead and tighten down the screw. And from here we want to go ahead and grab our level, set it across our rods, and slip the bracket until we are perfectly level. And then our stud on this side is right here, so we'll go ahead and sink a screw right there. All right. And then once we've got our 2 top screws installed, we can go ahead and sink a screw on the bottom of the bracket on each of our studs. So at this point, we can go ahead and install our shelf. And that's how you install a floating shelf using our Sheppard brackets.